Welcome back to my channel, Techno Trend Zone, your ultimate hub for all things tech, from groundbreaking reviews to deep dives into the latest innovations. Today, we're delving into the Nikon Z8 II, a camera that redefines the standards of mirrorless photography. It's not just an upgrade, it's a leap forward for photographers and videographers alike. Stay tuned if you're as excited about cutting-edge camera tech as we are. Like, subscribe, and ring the bell icon to keep up with the latest tech trends. Design and build quality. The Nikon Z8 II is an evolution in both aesthetics and functionality, designed for professionals and passionate hobbyists. With a rugged magnesium alloy body, it strikes the perfect balance between lightweight portability and durability. Weather sealing ensures resilience against dust, moisture, and harsh outdoor conditions, making it a reliable companion for demanding shoots. The ergonomic grip provides unparalleled comfort during extended sessions, while the intuitive button layout offers seamless customization. Dual card slots supporting CF Express Type B and SD cards add flexibility for high-speed performance and efficient storage. Whether you're capturing memories in challenging environments or a controlled studio, the Z8 II's robust design has you covered. Sensor and image quality. At its core, the Nikon Z8 II boasts a 45.7 megapixel stacked CMOS sensor, paired with Nikon's cutting-edge X8 processor. This duo delivers breathtaking image quality, vibrant colors, and exceptional dynamic range, making it a go-to choice for landscapes, portraits, and commercial photography. The expanded ISO range ensures stunning performance in low-light settings, while advanced noise reduction enhances clarity. The camera's burst mode can capture up to 20 frames per second, ensuring you never miss fast-moving subjects. Plus, 14-bit RAW file support enables professionals to achieve impeccable detail and post-processing flexibility. Autofocus mastery. The Z8 II redefines autofocus with 493 phase detection points and next-gen AI-driven subject recognition. From fast-moving athletes to elusive wildlife, this camera locks onto subjects with remarkable precision. Eye detection autofocus, optimized for both humans and animals, ensures pin-sharp results in dynamic scenes. Videographers will also appreciate the seamless autofocus transitions in video mode, making this camera a hybrid powerhouse. Whether you're shooting high-speed action or intimate portraits, the Z8 II delivers exceptional focus accuracy. Video powerhouse. For content creators and filmmakers, the Nikon Z8 II is a game-changer. With 8K video recording at 60 frames per second and 4K at up to 120 frames per second, the camera offers unprecedented cinematic flexibility. Support for 10-bit internal recording, N-Log, HLG, and ProRes RAW unlocks professional-grade video quality. Enhanced heat management allows for extended recording sessions, while features like focus peaking, zebra patterns, and a built-in timecode generator streamline your workflow. Whether you're crafting cinematic masterpieces or producing high-quality YouTube videos, the Z8 II is your ultimate tool. Connectivity and workflow integration. The Z8 II comes equipped with advanced connectivity options, including Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and a high-speed USB-C port for tethered shooting and charging. An Ethernet port ensures lightning-fast file transfers, ideal for professional studio workflows. Dual card slots simplify storage management, while integration with Nikon's SnapBridge app allows for effortless remote control and instant sharing of images. With these features, the Z8 II ensures a streamlined experience for both on-location and studio work. Battery life and usability. With its ENEL15C battery, the Z8 II offers extended shooting sessions, ensuring you won't miss critical moments. USB-C charging support adds convenience for travelers and long shoots. The high-resolution electronic viewfinder and tilting touchscreen LCD provide flexibility for creative compositions. Coupled with an intuitive menu system and customizable controls, the Z8 II adapts to your workflow, making it a joy to use for both stills and video. Conclusion. The Nikon Z8 II is a masterclass in innovation, blending exceptional image quality, advanced autofocus, and professional-grade video features. From its robust design to seamless connectivity options, this camera caters to the diverse needs of photographers and hybrid creators. Whether you're a seasoned professional or an ambitious enthusiast, the Z8 II empowers you to push creative boundaries. It's more than a camera. It's a tool that inspires possibilities. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the Nikon Z8 II, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button and leave a comment below. We'd love to hear your thoughts. Subscribe and ring the bell icon to stay ahead in the world of tech. Until next time, keep exploring, innovating, and creating with Techno Trend Zone. See you in the next video.